Horses have been people's companions for 5,500 years. Here is the Falabella, one of the smallest breeds of horses. Meet the Hyracotherium, the first horse on the earth. Believe it or not, it was the size of a small dog. Zebras and donkeys are close relatives of horses. Tap on the animal you like more.
Complete the pictures. Match the pairs. Complete the jigsaw.
Here is the Shire horse, a British breed of draft horse. It is one of the tallest and largest breeds of horses.
Complete the pictures.
A horse's coat is a mixture of the colors on different parts of the body as well as its mane and tail. White marks on horses' faces and their legs have several different names. Which of these marks do you think is called a star? Horses can recognize other horses in the pictures and photographs. Drag the correct reflection of the horse to the mirror. A horse can sniff a picture of another horse and greet it with a quiet neigh. Let's listen to that greeting. Which horse is behind the bush? Tap on it. There are different words to call a horse. Meet the daddy horse, or a stallion. The mommy horse is called a mare. Here is a baby horse, a foal. Newborn foals cannot stand. Put the cards in the right order to grow up a horse. Help the mommy horse get to her foal. Tap on the correct number. Help the babies find their moms. Match the pairs. Horses live for 25 to 30 years. An adult horse is an animal of 4 years old. There are 4 horses in the picture. Find and tap on all of them. You have a chance to communicate with horses? If you want to come close to a horse, ask an adult to come with you. You will feel safer if the horse is behind a barrier. Tap on the horse you dare to come closer to. Approach a horse from the front. If you bring a treat, call the horse by its name and stretch your open hand with the treat. Horses normally eat grass, but they are fond of sugar too. Treat the sweet-toothed horse with a lump of sugar. Here we have got more treats for a horse. What will you choose? Tap on it. Drag a treat to the horse and feed the animal. Imagine that a horse can drink a bucketful of herbal tea. Now you choose. Tap on the drink that you would prefer. Human and a horse have learned to understand each other. Do you know why horses show their teeth? That's right. That is the way the horse tries to recognize the smell. Horses' lips are very sensitive, so they can get a pee out of the feeder. How many pee pods are there in the picture? Tap on the correct number. Imagine that. Horses use their ears not only to hear, but also to communicate. The ears put forward means that the horse is interested in something. The ears laid back means the horse is angry or annoyed. A horse is relaxed when its ears are loosely aside. Tap on the cheerful horse, which is ready to communicate. Horses snort when they are happy and content. Let's listen to some snorts of the horse. Find a merry horse. Tap on it. Horses are like people. Every horse has its temper. They can get offended if you treat them bad. Here comes the picture of the horse feeling sad. The neck of the animal is tense and stretched. The horse shakes its head and shows its teeth. It means, "Go away. I'm not in the mood." The horse's ears are laid back or pressed. Which of these horses should you not come closer to? Find and tap on the shadow of the horse rider. More about horses. Horses sleep lying on the side. This position helps them have a good sleep full of dreams. Horses can nap while standing. If a horse lies on its back, it gives itself a massage. It is good for health. Tap on the horse, which has dreamt of a carrot. Let's learn more about horses' teeth. Horses pluck grass with their front teeth. These teeth are first to appear in foals. Instead of a toothbrush, horses chew hay to clean their teeth. You can tell if a horse is a male or female by its teeth. What can help you know the age of a horse? Hooves, a mane, or teeth? Can you find a dentist's office among the pictures? Tap on it. A horse has a big, strong mouth with lots of teeth. 36 or even 40 in total. That is more than we have. Horses have the biggest eyes of all land animals. Their eyes are even bigger than those of an elephant. Horse can see well what goes around, and does not see what is directly in front of it. Most horses have dark brown eyes. Complete the picture. Horses cannot see the red color. What will a horse see a red tulip? Which two horses are the same? Tap on them. The hoof is an important sensory organ of horses. With the hoof, a horse can feel the ground it is standing on. A horse's hoof is a nail of one finger. Horseshoes, which are special shoes for horses, protect the hooves from hitting hard against the ground.
Complete the pictures.
Horses have a long and beautiful mane. It protects them against insects and nasty weather. Horse's mane or tail hair is good to make different things. Horsehair is used to make strong fishing lines and nets. People use horsehair to make some parts of musical instruments. Horsehair is a good material for the string of a longbow. Put the horse together. Horses are loyal companions of people. Horses help people plow fields. Horses serve in the army and work in the police. Horses take part in some games and competitions. It is called equestrian sports. Horses can be guides and assistants to people who cannot see. Which horse do you think works for the police department? Tap on the rider, who has a yellow hat, but no vest. A tired horse needs some rest. You can pet it gently, feed on tasty treat or take it to the stable. What will you choose? Tap on the picture. Horses are very careful animals. Do you know what has scared this horse? Bee venom is very dangerous for horses. A horse can feel really unwell, only after 10 bee stings.
Match the pairs.
Horses like fun. Tap on the horse, which is playing with a big ball, yet not a blue one. Drag the horses to the merry-go-round. Mind that the horses of the same color cannot be next to each other. You have done a great job and answered all the questions. You can make a real friend of horses.